Hello friends, I am Professor Vagmudi PR, working as Assistant Professor in KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. Today we will discuss the topic on crop production technology of little millet or sawa or wari. Next one we can see the botanical name of little millet, that is Panicum sumatrens, and the family belongs to, that is, Poaceae or Gramineae, and the little millet is originated from the Southeast Asia. And then area distribution, especially the major little millet growing countries are the India, China, USSR, and the Africa. In China ranks first in terms of production of the little millet. The major little millet growing states are Orissa, in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and the Madhya Pradesh. Among states, the Andhra Pradesh and followed by the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are the major or leading states, especially for the cultivation or the in terms of area and production of this little millet. Next one, we can see the economic importance or uses of little millet. The little millet contains magnesium, which can help the improve the heart health. Then vitamin B3, that is niacin, is in a little millet helps the lower cholesterol level. Then little millet is also good source of the phosphorus, which helps in fat metabolism and the body tissue repair and the energy production. It also resolve the issues like the diarrhea, and the supports the healthy gut flora to prevent the peptic ulcer, and they also reduce the risk of the colon cancer. And also it is very low in calories, but extremely rich in magnesium, fiber, bioactive compounds, and other important minerals and the vitamins. Then it is a wonderful millet which is suitable for peoples of all age groups. It helps to prevent constipation and heals of all the problems related to stomach, and it improves the semen count of men, and also helps to for the women with irregular period problems, and also high fiber content. It helps to reduce the fat deposition in the body. And the little millet contains 8.7% protein, 75.7% carbohydrate, then 5.3% fat, and the 1.7% minerals, and the 9.3 milligram iron in per 100 gram. This is the economic importance or uses of uh, little millet. Next one, you can see the health benefits of little millet. As a first benefit, that is good source of potent antioxidant. Little millets are the all types of the millet, especially they shows the antioxidant properties such as the phenols, or the phenolic compounds, or tannins, or the flavonoids, and are not directly related to the nourishing the body, but it can shows the, or it can contribute as potent antioxidants. And second, that is second benefit, that is acts as a nutraceutical, or the millet. The little millet is a promising food ingredient suitable for large scale utilization as a processed products, snacks, then baby foods, and also plays a major role in propagating food security among the underdeveloped or developing countries. And then third one, helps the combat the diabetes, especially high carbohydrate diet can increase the plasma glucose, leading to the insulin resistance. And the little millet is a good or low glycemic index food, which is a good source of slow digesting carbohydrate and dietary fiber. And next one, that is a soil and climate or ecology condition. As the little millet requires, you can grow in all types of soils. Soils should be sandy loam to clay loam soils, or the marginal soils are also suitable for the cultivation of little millet. As a little millet is a quick growing short duration millet, it can also withstand drought and waterlogging conditions or waterlogging soils, and it can other small millets. Its cultivation is restricted, especially in tribal areas and the marginal lands, and can also be requires the pH range, that is 6.5 to 7.5. And the climate, the little millet is a crop grown mainly in the tropical region or in Kharif season crop. It requires the warm climate and extremely grown in especially in the warm regions of the world. Then it is highly drought resistant and can grow in areas where there is a scanty of rainfall, and it can withstand under waterlogging to some extent, and also it can hardy crop. It will complete its life cycle within a short period of time, and the optimum temperature for completion of its life cycle, that is 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. And the next point, that is field preparation. Soon after harvesting or after harvesting of the previous crop, the land should be plowed and left as such during summer season, especially April and April to May month. And after start of the onset of monsoon or first showers of monsoon, 2 to 3 harrowings should be given. Before harrowing, the required quantity of FOM should be applied and mixed into the soil. And next one, the seed censoring. The seed rate required for little millet as a sowing that is drilling method, that is it requires 8 kg per hectare, and for broadcasting, that is 12 kg per hectare, and the spacing required, that is 22 point by 10 centimeter, and the sowing time, that is June to July, and the sowing depth, that is 2 to 3 centimeter, and the methods broadcasting and drilling. And the seed treatment, especially for little millets, seeds are treated with the Sericin and at the rate of 3 gram per kg of seed. The seed treatment with the azospirillum or azotobacter may be done at the rate of 3 packets per hectare. And the next one, the nutrient management or the manures and fertilizers. Apply 5 tons of FOM per hectare 2 to 3 weeks prior to sowing or before sowing. And then recommended dose, that is 40-20-00 kg NPK per hectare. That is half dose of N and the full dose of P should be applied at the time of sowing, and the remaining half dose of nitrogen should be applied at tillering or the panicle initiation stage. And there is no required of the requirement or demand of potassium, because this crop is especially the less feeder and requires less quantity of nutrients, but it especially in the Indian soils are enriching the more content of the potassium, hence there is no required the potassium. The next one, there is no need to be applied the potassium. Next one, the varieties. There are different varieties of little millet, that is BL6, DHLM 36-3, then JK8, then OLM 203, JK36, CO3, then CO4. These are the different varieties of the little millet, which will be shows here the image or photographs of the varieties, that is BL6, DHLM 36-3, then JK36, then OLM 203, then JK8. Next point, that is the cropping systems, especially followed in the little millet. As a little millet, that is first one, that is crop rotation. Little millet is as a non-leguminous or a non-legume component, which is grown as a preceding. After harvesting of this preceding of previous crop, next crop, that is during Rabi season, that is majorly grown as maize or the chickpea, as well as sometimes the groundnut. Then intercropping system, the little millet has a non-legume component which can grow with the blagram also. Blagram is the leguminous crop which can contribute the nitrogen supply to the little millet and also automatically save the nitrogen cost of this input. And then especially the little millet also grown with pigeon pea as a leguminous crop, which it has capacity to fix the atmospheric nitrogen and supply the nitrogen to the major main crop, that is little millet. This is ideal to intercrops, the crops which will be suitable as intercrop with the little millet. Next one, the weed management, water management. In a little millet can commonly grown in a Kharif season. Therefore, it does not require any irrigation or if rains are received timely. If rains are not received timely or properly or delay, then there is need to be apply irrigation at critical growth stages such as vegetative stage, then tillering stage, and panicle initiation stage, flowering stage, and grain filling stage. Among all stages, the most critical stage of little millet for especially for irrigation, that is tillering one. And then next one, the weed management. For 2 to 3 weedings with hand hoe are sufficient to keep the weeds in control, and the post emergence application of 240 sodium salt 80% at the rate of 1 kg active ingredient per hectare at 20-25 days after sowing, or isoproteron at the rate of 1 kg active ingredient per hectare as a pre-emergence spray is also effective for the control of weeds in the little millet. And the 2 hoeing and the 2 to 3 hand weeding operations are to be followed for control of the weeds. And the next one, that is the pest and disease, especially the major pest of the little millet, that is only one, that is shoot fly, which can be controlled by early sowing of the crop, that is second fourth of the July or the with the first onset of monsoon, or out of the highest seed rate, that is 1.5 times the recommended seed rate, to make up the seedling mortality, and monitoring by the fish meal trap. Then soil application of forate at the rate of 8 to 10 kg per acre in furrow is effective for checking out the shoot fly infestation. This is a major pest of little millet. Then also we can be controlled with the help of soil application of carbofuran 3 3G, that is granule form, that is 1.5 kg active ingredient per hectare. It will be effective for control of the shoot fly incidence. And the spraying of quinolphos 2 ml per liter, this is also effectively reduce the shoot fly infestation. Next one, the diseases, especially in the little millet, that is grain smut and the brown spot. Diseases are observed. It can be controlled by the sprays of SAF 0.2% or the carbendazim 0.05% or the triacylazole 0.05% with the first spray at 50% flowering, followed by the second spray after 10 days. Then last one, that is harvesting and yield. The crop matures, especially the little millet matures within 80 to 100 days. The crop is harvested when the areas are dry, either by cutting the whole plant by sickle, or the ears or airheads are separated, harvested separately, and later on the remaining plant parts. And the crop is usually harvested during Kharif season from the September to October. And yield obtained from this little millet, that is grain yield, that is 12 to 15 quintals per hectare, or straw yield, that is 20 to 25 quintals per hectare. Thank you. This is today's topic about crop production technology of little millet or sawa or worry. Thank you.